Marhaba wa ahla wa sahla fikum. This is Ibrahim with you. Welcome to another tutorial. Every now and then I'll try to make a tutorial focusing on vocabulary only. This is hopefully would help you to increase your vocabulary and practice and use these vocabulary within the cultural phrases I give you, within the grammar. This all hopefully to improve your Arabic level. In today's episode we'll try to look at vocabulary around the house. I would always start with the singular, followed by the plural, followed by the translation. Don't forget to write these vocabulary down and practice them on a weekly basis and write them down on your scrapbook. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Great, without further ado, let's start. In today's episode we'll be looking at Arabic vocabulary around the house. So we've got bait, house, buyut, houses, bait, buyut, manzil, manazil. Manzil as well means house, and manazil it means houses. Shaqqa, shaqqa, which means a flat. Shaqqa, flat. Shaqqa, shaqqa, flats. Shaqqa, flats. Binaye, binayat. Binaye, binayat, buildings or dwelling. Amara, and the plural is amarat, as well means building. Tabi', 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 which means floor, and tawabi', floors. So floor 1, floor 2, so building floors. Tabi', and the plural tawabi', tawabi', floors. Bawabi', gate. Bawabi', gate, and the plural is bawabat, bawabat. Bab, door. Bab, door. Bwab, doors. Bwab, doors. Maqbad, al-bab. Maqbad, al-bab is the handle or the doorknob. Maqbad, al-bab. Maqbad, al-bab, which means the handle or the doorknob. Miftah, miftah. Miftah, which means key, and the plural is mafatih, keys. Mafatih. So miftah, which means a key, and the plural is mafatih. Mafatih. Ardiyya, floor. Ardiyya, floor. Ardiyya. Daraj, stairs. Daraj, daraj, stairs. Daraj. Balcone, balcony. Balcone, balcony. غرفة, room. غرفة, room. غرف, rooms. غرف, rooms. غرفة قعدة, sitting room. غرفة قعدة, sitting room. مطبخ is kitchen. مطبخ is kitchen. Reception, غرفة استقبال. غرفة استقبال. غرفة استقبال, which means reception. مفروشات, furniture. مفروشات, furniture. كرسي, chair. كراسي, chairs. كراسي, chairs. And then finally we've got طاولة, which means a table, and the plural is طاولات. طاولة, طاولات. طاولة, طاولات. Great, and that was the final vocabulary for this episode. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to write these vocabulary down in your notebook and practice them during the week, and then hopefully you could use them along with the other examples or with the other tutorials, as I do teach a lot of the grammar, a lot of the cultural phrases, as you would be able to use these vocabulary with those phrases interchangeably. Until next time, keep well and hope you have a lovely day. Ma